from Ryan Nail at Sport Element, and today I'm going to teach you how to ollie. It's basically all about stance. You have to put your foot, for a beginner's ollie, put your foot a little bit farther away from the screws. And this much distance farther away. And again, your foot right there. So you pop, and as you pop, slide your foot up, and after you slide, lift this foot up to where the board goes up, and then just, you'll fall. Well, I mean, you won't fall, you'll just go down to the ground. I mean, you won't explode, but okay, I'm just going to do an ollie right now.
This video is supported by Ryan Nail, who both support Autobahn Wheels.
Hi, I'm Ryan from Ryan Nail, and I support Alien Workshop. And today I'm going to teach you how to box shove it. Well, that was sketchy, but alright, this is how you do it. You set up exactly like an ollie. Bend your knees, pop it, move this foot out of the way. So after you slide it, use your back foot to kick it behind you or in front of you, whichever way you want it to spin. And you want to move, after you do that, you want to move your front foot out of the way so it won't hit the board when it's coming around. So, and you want to keep your shoulders level. And when the back side is coming around, catch it with your front foot, put your back foot on it, and just pop it back down. Just like that. And I'm going to show you. Thanks. Practice, and have fun.
Chocolate!